Hey guys, welcome to my channel DIY Skincare Come Fashion. So in today's video I'm going to show you the unboxing of May month's scrap box. So all the products came inside this box and along with this non-owned bag. So let me show you the products inside this box. So the first product is their Facon Sandalwood Mist. This one is for 200 rupees and everything is completely mentioned on the bottle itself. From expiry date, manufacture date, ingredients, everything is present. And this is their first product, sandalwood mist with vitamin E, and the quantity is 100 ml. So this is the first product. And the second product is their eyeshadow palette from Miss Rose Professional Makeup eyeshadow palette. So the palette number is number 3, and let me show you how it looks inside. Okay, this is how the shades look like. Actually, this palette has very beautiful shades. Every shade is very beautiful, and it also comes along with its applicator and along with a mirror in it. So this is how the palette looks like. So this is their second product, and their third product is their essential oil, peppermint essential oil. So this is 100% pure essential oil, and the quantity is 10 ml. And yes, it has the expiry date, manufacture date, and price. The price is 300 rupees. Let me show you inside how it looks. So this is how the bottle looks like. It comes in a blue colored bottle, and it also has something: eases digestion and supports headache, increases blood circulation and immunity, clears respiratory tract, and freshens bad breath. So everything is mentioned on the bottle as well as on their pack itself. So this is their third product. This one is for 300 rupees, and their fourth product is their armpit razor to remove our armpit hairs. So this is their fourth product, and this one is for 90 rupees. This is how it looks. So this is their fourth product. Then fifth product is this matte me lipstick. Shade number is not 3. I think everyone will receive the same product, and this is how it looks like. I have swatched it. It is actually a very beautiful shade it is. So it dries very quickly. So this is their fifth product, and this lipstick is for 200 bucks. So, and the sixth product is this nail paint from the brand Hilary Rhoda. So this is actually 9.9 ml, and it will dry instantly. It seems they have mentioned it here, instant dry. Then this is how it looks. I'll show you. So this is how it looks. So I don't know whether everyone will receive the same or not, but this is what I have received. So this is the sixth one, and the last and final product is this bamboo charcoal nose mask, which is for 30 rupees, and everything is mentioned in other language, so I can't understand anything. So this is the last product. So hope you all like this video. This is the products that I have received in this month's grab box. Hope you all like this video. Please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching this.